Terra Luna Classic is looking phenomenal. I don't know how else to describe it. Guys, Terra Luna Classic ripping higher in price, getting ready to retest the next level of resistance, and things couldn't be better. Now, we do have a couple of reasons why this might be happening. We went over some of them in the video this morning, so if you guys missed that video, make sure to check it out. We'll go over a couple more reasons, because at the end of the day, look, I don't have every answer. Nobody has every answer. There are possibilities, and you need to understand those possibilities if you ever expect to understand finance. Now, it is nice when you can narrow it down to a couple different things, and I do believe we have a couple different things that could be driving Terra Luna Classic higher, so we're going to look at that. And we're going to be looking at why we might have a 10x potential from where we are right now. Now, I know that is optimistic, okay? To say the least, I am optimistic and I am bullish on Terra Luna Classic. So I may be biased in that sense, but we'll talk about some of the numbers and the fact that they have been 10x before, and we could see them 10x again, and therefore not only could the price rise, the price might be able to rise by nearly 10x. Let's discuss it, and if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. Let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2023 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. If you guys are brand new to investing, you got Webull down in the description below. It is super simple to set up your account. Any deposit, you guys are getting 6 free stocks up to 12 free stocks, and a $1 crypto trade is going to get you $5 in free crypto. If you guys want crypto exclusive exchanges where you can buy, sell, trade, short, leverage, and do so with Terra Luna Classic, you got KuCoin and Binance down there. Now, KuCoin and Binance, they offer rewards for the more active traders. So the more you trade, the more you're going to earn. But please be aware, if you guys are holding on those exchanges, it's going to be considered a loan to those exchanges. So if you want to mitigate that risk and make it your asset, you need to look at a cold storage or DeFi wallet. Guys, I mean, phenomenal price action in Terra Luna Classic today. Ripping higher. A lot of people, I post on Twitter out there, kind of gauge the sentiment in the community. The vast majority of people are excited about this price action. Some people believe that it could be a pump and dump. Absolutely, that is a possibility. But guys, what we've got going on right now is a breakout to the upside. So regardless, and we're going to talk about a couple reasons here, regardless of the reason, you can't deny the action. And the action is to the upside right now. And if it's able to maintain and sustain it, we've got a couple levels of resistance. Now, if you want some more deep detail, watch the video from earlier today. But we've got levels of resistance at 12,000 points per coin to 12,500, 16,000 points per coin. Then you've got a very strong range that we tested for a long time, a couple of months ago, between 22,000 and 28,000. If we break that, guys, we're retesting these highs that we hit since falling out of, falling from the heavens down back to earth when Terra Luna Classic depegged, or USTC, I should say, depegged, and this entire lunatics movement began. Let's look at some numbers here and talk about why we may be seeing a 10x. Now, I am sure that a lot of you guys were here back in September, end of August of 2022. If you were, you remember the rally. You remember, and it was basically a 3-week period. Terra Luna Classic went from the lows around 8,000 points per coin and tested 60,000 points per coin. Okay, that is nearly a 5, 6, 7x increase, and well over a 15x increase if you would have gotten in slightly before that. But knowing that we basically triple or quadruple bottomed around this 8,000 point mark, and we are rising nicely today, there's already a lot of clamor about the fact that we are going to be reattempting those recent highs. Now, let's discuss the numbers and the possibility of that happening, because we were in a bear market in 2022. The market was really no different than it is right now. There was less discussion of regulatory clarity and the SEC and all of this going on back in August, September of 2022, but the overall sentiment was bearish. Prices were down, and they were down big, and an FTX had just collapsed. So there was a lot of nonsense going on, and of course, Terra Luna Classic getting hit very hard and rising nicely amidst all of that bearish sentiment. Terra Luna Classic could absolutely be doing the same thing right now. If you go out to KuCoin, okay, and you look at the top traded coins right now, Terra Luna Classic tops the popular list, and it is a KuCoin gem at the moment. Some of the numbers out there: 4,053 different traders participating in Terra Luna Classic trades over the last hour alone. 56% are buying, 60% of all whales are buying, and 54% of pros are buying. That simply indicates that the vast majority of people are buying Terra Luna Classic at the moment, even though it's rising higher. A lot of times you will see selling pressure as a cryptocurrency is moving higher. We don't have that right now. We've still got buyers buying Terra Luna Classic. Now, one of the reasons we may be seeing Terra Luna Classic move higher is because it's simply a technical breakout. You know, we've triple bottomed off that 8,000 point per coin mark, and we are rising nicely to test the next level of resistance. Other people believe it's because Binance is shutting down their futures. There's a lot of people who are 5, 10, 20, 30x leveraged short positions on Terra Luna Classic. And I don't know exactly how Binance works with their shorts and all of their derivatives and their futures and things like that. But if it does have a negative connotation or a negative impact on the overall price, clearly shutting those positions down will increase demand and allow shorts to cover. But I just don't know how Binance treats their derivatives, I should say, and whether or not it has have a direct impact on the price. So before I get too much into that, I would need to look more into what exactly Binance does when somebody opens up a leveraged short position on not just Terra Luna Classic, but any cryptocurrency. Here's the important numbers we need to look at right now. 4,000 traders on KuCoin, okay? And the volume, overall volume on Terra Luna Classic today is just slightly above $100 million. 4,000 traders. It tops the list of coins being traded on KuCoin. But this is 1/10 of the amount of traders that we saw back in late August, early September of 2022. Guys, 40,000 traders. You guys can go back and watch some of my videos if you need to. 40,000 traders per hour were taking place in Terra Luna Classic trades back in late August, September, when we rallied to those highs. The amazing price action that we've seen today on Terra Luna Classic could just be 1/10 of what we are capable of if people begin to flock back in or FOMO back in to Terra Luna Classic and this layer 1 blockchain that is absolutely being rebuilt. You know, these are clearly just numbers, but with 4,000 traders being 1/10 of the amount of people that were buying Terra Luna Classic and trading Terra Luna Classic back in August, September, why couldn't we see the exact same movement again if they decide to buy once more? I'm excited. Nothing guarantees the continuation of this price action, but nothing is pointing to a direct stop at the moment. I want to know what you guys think. Do you think a 10x increase is possible from where we are right now? It would take us to roughly a $7 billion market cap, but Terra Luna Classic's been higher than that before, and we've seen meme coins reach those levels. Why can't this layer 1 blockchain? Let me know what you guys think down in the comments below, and if that button right there is still red, make sure to click it, subscribe to the channel, join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. You guys got ClayBro 883 everywhere, 6 to 12 free stocks on Webull, KuCoin and Binance, free Discord, and until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.